This event was born out of the desire to show the investing community and the public company community how Marcum is a little bit different from other service providers out there. We're thrilled with the way the event is turning out for today. The quality of the companies is better. Last year we had 1,500 attendees. This year we approached almost 2,000.
The Marcum Microcap Conference is the biggest event where microcap companies can meet potential investors one-on-one in an environment that's conducive for the investors to learn about the company and the companies to make meaningful presentation to those investors.
This is one of the better places to see, meet, and learn more about small cap stocks that are out there that are looking to grow themselves up.
A lot of companies that presented today are companies I haven't seen before. I'm here to learn about them, see if it's something I want to pursue further or learn more.
I think Marcum is unique because it's promoted by an accounting firm, so it's a good conference for us to come to. It's more broad-based. Our company's based in Belgium, in Namur. We came from Europe for this.
We're a sponsor. It's a great event. We've done it all 3 of the years. I would say this year it's even better. The turnout is amazing. Getting a lot more traffic and a lot more interaction with companies we work with and companies we want to work with.
We met a lot of attorneys, some investors, a good opportunity to mingle, and I also thought Giuliani gave a very passionate speech. I'll definitely be back.
Great lineup, awesome sponsor. We're super impressed with the roster of companies that have presented and those who have sat on the panels. We expect to be here for several years in the future.
Marcum itself is an entrepreneurial organization. What that really means is that we're always trying to raise the bar on everything we do. So this year we had to figure out how to make a better user experience for the investors, for the presenting companies, and for the sponsors. And we did that. Whether it was the app, which allowed people to build a calendar from their smartphones for the whole day. We also did a workshop the day before, specifically designated for management teams of pre-IPO and publicly traded companies.
It's been successful beyond our wildest imagination and really has solidified Marcum as a firm in the microcap space that really tries to help its clients, its potential clients, and match microcap companies with people who want to invest in them.